So everybody was asking me about the Hyper Tough impact guns and all that stuff in their line of power tools. I wasn't really going to make a video on these, but I was at Walmart the other day during Black Friday. You know, they had some sales on some of them. A lot of people are looking at them and then passing them up and going to Home Depot and getting that cheap little set they had, which the Craftmans and the Milwaukees and the DeWalt's were more. But I've heard several people say, you know, we just don't know about how good they do. I'm going to start out with the one I have here. This is a compact 3/8 impact. But one thing I can say about this impact right here, for a little 3/8 impact, this thing does pretty good. Working on motorcycles and stuff like that, I like to have a little one like this. And I'm not looking to spend big money on something like this. And you know, this is 59 bucks. And for the price, it feels really good. Pretty durable for what it is and what I do, like a hobbyist like myself. It has a little indicator here. One thing I don't like about this particular battery, there's no lights on it to tell you what percentage you're at. The bigger impact that I have does have that. That's the only downfall, but it does have a little light, and it has the battery indicator here. But I'd rather have it on the battery instead of the gun. And you got your selections right here, 1 and 2. But this thing is pretty cool. It's not super bulky. If you're wondering about the Hyper Tough little impacts, little 3/8 compact impact, honestly, I would go ahead and grab one. For the price, you're not really wasting a whole lot of money. And this one does great. I try to keep it clean and take care of it. I believe if you take care of it, it'll take care of you. And Walmart seems to have a little bit better customer service, and their cheaper tools seem to be a little bit better. Honestly, if you're going to go to Harbor Freight and get the Bauer, I know a lot of people said, oh, just get the Bauer and all that stuff. It costs way more to buy the Bauer brand at Harbor Freight than it does at Walmart. Got the battery, the charger, and the tool, like I said, all for 59 bucks. And you can't beat it. So you go to Harbor Freight, you're going to have over 100 bucks in a little tool like this. And granted, Harbor Freight probably does have a little bit better warranty, but you can get a warranty on this thing too at Walmart just the same. So if you're wondering about this tool, I'd go ahead and grab it. It's a really nice tool. There's tons of videos out there, people doing torque tests and all that stuff. That's cool. But I'm not here to do that. I'm just here to show you the tool and what I think of it and how I used it and what it feels like. It's been great for me. It's a perfect tool. Like I said, it feels heavy duty, feels pretty good, and honestly, I think it will last a long time. And it is brushless. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I'd go ahead and pick it up for your boyfriend or your husband that does stuff in the backyard like I do. These things will work great, and I don't think he would be disappointed if you know, he's not tool snob. So yeah, go ahead and pick one of these up. I love this tool.